She said she loves him, yet she's not ready to get married. Has the food arrived yet? Here we have two completely different sentences which both use yet. Today we'll look at what yet really means and when to use it. My name's Trudy and welcome back to another Britcent video. Let's start with yet as an adverb of time. It indicates that something hasn't happened so far, but it's expected to occur in the future. My business hasn't made me a millionaire yet. Has the food arrived yet? I'm starving. You haven't finished work yet and it's 11 p.m. You're crazy. Trust me, the best is yet to come. As you can see, it's normally used in negative sentences or questions. However, it can be used in affirmative sentences. This is your best work yet. I must admit, that meeting was the hardest yet. That exam was the easiest yet. In these cases, it's used to mean so far or up until this point. As you can see, it emphasises something surprising or adds intensity. Now, let's talk about yet as a conjunction. It connects two ideas that are in contrast to each other and is similar to but or despite. Using yet as a conjunction suggests the clause that follows is surprising or unexpected. He is so unlucky, yet he remains so positive. They said they liked the house, yet they didn't make an offer. He promised to be on time, yet once again, he arrived late. When used as a conjunction, yet is formal and not too common in conversation. That's all for today's video. Have you got any questions or sentences using yet? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.